Hello everyone, welcome to channel Skill Philip. In this video, you will get to know what are the cost of AWS certification exams and what benefit can we avail from AWS to reduce the cost of these exams. So let's get started. Starting from the foundational level exam, that is Cloud Practitioner, the exam cost is $100 plus some extra taxes. Now I will explain what are those extra taxes after we cover the contents in this table. Okay, and if we try to estimate the cost in Indian rupees, then it is something around 7,400 rupees plus some additional taxes. Now this is based on the USD INR exchange rate in May 2021, and what is this exactly, I will also try to explain that after we cover the contents in the table. Okay, now talking about associate level AWS exams, that is Solution Architect, Developer Associate and SysOps, the exam cost is $150 plus some taxes, which if we try to estimate is around 12,000 Indian rupees. For the specialty level exams, the cost is $300 plus some taxes, and if we calculate in terms of Indian rupees, it is around 23,000 rupees. And same is the case with professional level exams, the cost is around $300. Now where on AWS website are those exam costs mentioned? Let's go to the AWS website. If we type AWS certification preparation and scroll down, click on this link, prepare for your AWS certification exam. And here if you scroll down and try to check, say for example, Solutions Architect Associate exam cost, then click on this link. It will redirect you to the page for AWS Certified Solution Architect exam details, and if you just scroll down, this is the place where you can find the cost of the exam, which is $150. You can do the similar step for all the AWS exams which are mentioned here. Okay, now talking about the taxes, if you try to schedule an exam on the payment checkout page, you can see the cost of exam is $150, but the total due is shown as $177. This is the estimated tax, that is $27, and this is the tax based on my country. It may vary based on your country, okay? So you will get to know what is this additional tax once you try to schedule your exam and you are on the payment or the checkout page. Okay, that was all about the taxes part. Now let's talk about what can be the rate of or what can be the cost of exam in your country. So let's consider for two countries, one for India, one for Japan. So let's type USD to INR today's rate. Here just enter your exam cost. Say I am giving Developer Associate, and if I enter that, I can see the cost is around 11,000 rupees. And if you are from say Japan, then you can enter your currency, and then this would be the cost, that is 16,000, around 16,000 in Japanese yen. So based on your country, you can calculate what will be the value of AWS exam in your country. Now that was all about AWS exams cost. One important thing I would like to tell you is there is a possibility that AWS exam cost might change in future. Say I have recorded this video in May 2021 and you are watching this video after 4 to 5 years, then AWS might have changed the cost. So to verify this whether they have changed or not, do visit their aws.com website or AWS certification portal. Now the last thing to cover in this video is, if you have passed at least one AWS certification exam, then you get a benefit of 50% discount voucher for your next AWS exam, and also you'll get free official AWS practice exam. So what is the procedure to avail these benefits from AWS? Just check the links to this video. I have explained the procedure in my other two videos. Those links are in the description below. Do check them. So did you like the video? Then please subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, press that like button and share this video with all of your friends. All the best for your AWS journey.